Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to preview a haircut in the FaceApp in 2026. Are you thinking about a new haircut but not sure how it look? FaceApp lets you preview it before making a real change. Now here's how to do it by following these few simple steps. Before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application. You're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the FaceApp application. Once you find it, it says developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. You're gonna make sure to install this application. Then you're gonna launch it. And after launching it, you might be asked to give permission to gallery access. Now, if you want to upload a picture to view from the gallery, you can give this access. If you want to use the camera, then you can choose the camera option from the bottom of the screen. Now, once you choose your picture, you're gonna upload your photo. Then you're gonna go to the hairstyle section. There are a lot of sections in the toolbar in the bottom. You're gonna choose hairstyle. And from here, you're gonna browse different haircut options. You're gonna tap on any style to preview them instantly. Now, for example, this is the original picture. You can choose haircuts. You can choose a lot of levels for this haircut. For example, second one, third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. And you can see the long hairstyle. Now, if you want to choose different hairstyles from these that says Pro, you have to have a premium subscription. Now, previewing haircuts helps you avoid bad decisions. So use FaceApp to find your perfect style. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.